Step-by-step guide to repatriation process from the UK. I'm Alexandra, director at International Funerals. Today, I'll walk you through exactly what happens when bringing a loved one to their home country. The coroner must be informed using Form 104, also called the Notice of Intent to Remove a Body out of England or Wales. They'll issue an out of England certificate to allow the process to move forward. You'll also need to notify the embassy of the country where your loved one will be repatriated. Each country has specific requirements, so it's important to work closely with their representatives. They'll guide you on what documentation is needed, such as a mortuary passport or special permissions. The required documents often include a death certificate issued in the UK, the deceased passport, a freedom from infection certificate confirming there's no public health risk, an embalming certificate, as many countries require embalming before transport. Our team at International Funerals takes care of all of this for you, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Once the paperwork is complete, the body must be prepared for travel. This typically involves embalming, placing the deceased in a sealed coffin, and meeting the legal requirements for international transport. Our team ensures that this is done with the utmost dignity and respect. After all preparations are made, we arrange for your loved one's transport to their home country. This includes coordinating with the transportation team, customs officials, and funeral homes at the destination. We work closely with all the parties to make the process easy and stress-free for your family.